Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I do for Fright Night In, but I wanted to show you guys this in case you wanted to start a tradition in your home doing Fright Night In October. So sometimes we'll do a big Fright Night In and invite a lot of family members and friends, and then other times we'll make them more intimate. Well, this time around it's going to be more intimate. It's going to be my husband and I and my 3 kids and my niece and my nephew. And so it's just going to be really small, but I want to throw some ideas out there for you guys. So if you want to see how I do Fright Night In, then keep watching. So let me tell you guys about Fright Night In. I started this about, I'm going to say 7 years ago. I think it was about 7 years ago that I started this, and I just had an idea and I said, you know what, why don't we start like a family night in October where we just watch scary movies and eat and drink and have a good time. And so that's how it started. And the very first one we did, it was just, again, my husband and I and my 3 kids and my sister and her daughter, and it was fun. We had so much fun. But then the following year, I was like, you know what, maybe we can do a little more. So we started adding more little things to our Fright Night In. And so the things that we do is we definitely have food. We do food. And my tradition in my family is I do devilish chili. And I do have a tutorial on that chili, and I'll link it somewhere up here or in the description box below. But we do devilish chili every year for Halloween time for Fright Night In. So this year, what we're going to do, besides doing our food and watching our scary movies, because that's the other thing that we do, is we watch like a scary movie. Not really a scary movie, but a cute Halloween movie for the kids, if you're going to have kids. And this year, we're going to do the same thing. But this year, we're going to take my niece and my nephew to the orchards. They're going to pick their pumpkins. And then this year, we're going to carve pumpkins in our Fright Night In. Those are good traditions to start with your kids or your grandkids. But, you know, we don't have any grandkids, not yet at least. But we do a lot with our niece and our nephew. And, you know, there's a few Fright Night Ins, and I will do a playlist of the Fright Night Ins that we have done in the past, so you guys can get an idea on some of the things that we do with, you know, big family or a small family. No matter what, we always have fun. And so I'm going to decorate around the house. I like to decorate outside in the backyard, and we throw the big screen out there, and we have like a movie theater, like a drive-in, but except you're out in the grass. We lay out blankets and stuff. So, but this year we're not going to do that because it's just us, and we're just going to do it indoors. But I still want to decorate the outdoors for the kids as soon as they come in. So I'm going to show you some of the things that we do here. You guys can get an idea in case you guys want to start your own tradition of Fright Night In. So let's get started. So before we start Fright Night In, I like to have my whole house decorated for Halloween. This year, I didn't really do much out here to the front, but I wanted to throw some stuff out here so my niece and my nephew could see. So I just put this sign here, and then I put my wreath that I made on the door, my Halloween wreath, and then I just put this garland up, and I just put all kinds of things on there that I know that they would probably like the faux candies that I have a tutorial on, and I just put a little spider that hangs there, and just, you know, some candy corn picks. So that was one of the things that I did here. That way the kids can get a feel for what's going to be inside as soon as they walk up to the door. So let me show you guys what we did inside. So I just put a few little decorations out for the kids so they could see. And I have the Bride of Frankenstein and Frankenstein here. And then I did a few decorations around the house. Now, Fright Night already happened. The kids are already home. They're gone. So I'm just showing you what we did here. I am going to show you guys video of the stuff that we did do during Fright Night. And again, it was just my kids, my husband, and the little ones here. And these are the pumpkins that we picked up at the orchards. My niece and my nephew took their pumpkin already that they carved, and then my other son carved this one here. I think it's pretty cool. So I just decorated just a little bit here and there for them. But anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So we started our Fright Night In early this year. We got up early and we went to the orchards and we went pumpkin picking, and we did a few little activities there. And then we got home and we did some pretzels with candy, and then we watched a movie, Hocus Pocus. And anyway, you're gonna see all that in the video, and these are just ideas that I wanted to share with you guys. Maybe you guys might want to start your own tradition with your kids, grandkids, nieces, nephews, whoever, your family, friends. And so I just wanted to give you guys some ideas of the things that we do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the stuff that we did on Fright Night In. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's begin. Where are we at, guys?
Orchard.
The orchards. We're gonna go get pumpkins. Pumpkin picking. Okay, headed to the corn maze. Whew. Look at these monsters. Look at this one. Holy cow. And then that one. Holy moly. Whew. Successful trip at the orchards. They were, what was it, 50 cents a pound, or how much were they?
50 cents.
Was it 50 cents a pound?
It was 118 pounds.
Is it? Was it really?
118
Oh
pounds.
my gosh.
We are supporting the cause. There is no doubt about it.
Oh yeah, and then you guys bought some of this pear cider and apple cider.
Cider, where we put away.
So we put away, and then those
Those donuts.
donuts were,
fantastic donuts.
oh my god, apple cider donuts. Well, hits right here, and then the apple
Fresh squeeze squirt.
fresh squeeze squirt. Yes, they have this here. The apple butter is good right there, and these are like with the cream cheese. These are so good. He bought what, 4 dozen? Was it that you bought? No,
2 dozen.
2 dozen?
Six a box.
Okay, so we finished 1 box, and then look, combine the rest. Yep. Oh, so good. You could smell it. It smells good. They were nice and warm when they had just had them done.
They were nice and warm when they had
them
just gotten them done.
Yeah. We took Maleficent out. Isn't she so cute? So I'm going to take out my scarecrows to put them out in the garden somewhere, or somewhere around here in the backyard. I'll have the kiddos do that.